people seeking a protection order can now request one online without ever stepping into a courtroom.
State Supreme Court is taking the step to better protect victims of violence and harassment. News 8's Nina Criscolo is here with the benefits and challenges the new option bring.
Good morning. Indiana's highest court ruled out the e-filing protection order option right at the beginning of Domestic Violence Awareness Month. It allows those who need a protection order to request one wherever they have access to the internet. The service is available to anyone trying to escape from a domestic or family violence situation, stalking, sex offenses, or harassment. The free online form can be filled out by a victim, advocate, or attorney at any time of the day. E-filing allows victims to seek a protection order from a safe place like a public library, a shelter, or their home. There's also a safe exit button in case the abuser walks into that space. But Cassie Mecklenburg, the executive director at Sheltering Wings in Hendricks County, said the online document will be the only information the judge receives to make a decision. So it's important it is filled out properly, and seeking an advocate could be helpful.
We want to make sure that they're filling it out completely, accurately, and they're helping to communicate to the judge the sincerity of the request as well as the severity of the situation to help them make an appropriate determination.
E-filing is available in all 92 counties, and trained advocates who can answer questions and assist with the e-filing process are listed for each county online. You can still file a paper request in the clerk's office or with assistance from a victim advocate, but attorneys are required to e-file in these cases starting December 2nd. The new service is now listed as one of the 12 available e-filing service providers within Indiana courts. For more information on those or to get to the protection order e-filing page right now, visit wishtv.com.
It's 6:10 right now.